Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into Harbour Frieght credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to log into your Harbour Frieght credit card and manage your account online, you'll need to open up a web browser first. Go to the URL box at the top and type in harbourfriet.syf.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page where you can see your login area. Your Harbour Frieght credit card account is issued by Synchrony Bank, so you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Go to the Use Your ID text box and type in your Use Your ID in the first text box. Once you type in your Use Your ID, head over to the next field and type in your password. You can double check the password by clicking the show link or the eye icon on the right hand side corner. If you'd like the system to remember your Use Your ID, click on Remember Use Your ID box beneath, but make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. In case you don't remember your Use Your ID or your password, click on I forgot my Use Your ID or the password link in order to reset your password or look for your Use Your ID. Once you have typed in your information and you are ready to log in, click the Secure Login button and you'll be able to get access to your Harbour Frieght credit card account. Once you're logged in, you can review your statements, make a payment, enroll in paperless statements, and so much more online. That's how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.